Hi everyone, this is me Vivian in Hairstyle channel, and today I will show you how to do your own zigzag part in your own hair. So all you need actually is a comb, just a regular comb. Any comb will do. I have for today this one. So what you need to do first is to decide where you want to have the zigzag parting. I usually have it on my side, so I'll keep it here. Wherever I will use now, the technique I'm using here on the side, you can use it for your middle parting or the side, so you can go anywhere. The same technique, doesn't matter. So for me, I usually like it on the side. It suits my face much better, so I will show you on the side. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to comb wherever you want to have your zigzag parting. You comb that section backward. I will say about probably like 5 centimeters, and then you comb it backward. When you comb it backward, don't have it too tight to the back, just have it smooth. Just have it smooth and comb this down to make sure it's not going in the way. And then that piece, that section you comb backward, you need to hold it with your other hand. So just hold it in your hand, and then don't have it too much backward, don't have it too tight, but a little bit soft to the front. And then you take your comb and then you just put it on your head. Don't tangle it down, just put it on, so you can feel it is on your head. And then you can feel, and you go to the left, to the right, so you're gonna feel this zigzag. You're going left, right, yes. Put it on and then just go left to the right. And the minute you're going to the left, to the right, you can decide in this minute how far, how strong your zigzag you want to have it. You want it shorter or longer or deeper. So now I'm showing you the medium size, so it will go like this. Yes, left, right, and then you stop actually before getting to the back, so you leave the crown full. So, and then with the other hand, so you stop the comb, and with your other hand you're gonna split the piece. Yes, split. You're gonna split with other finger, split the hair. And you, as you see, this is my crown. You always make sure you comb it backward, so you get nice wound film in the back. And this is the zigzag. This is the medium size zigzag. If you want to have it smaller, I will show you again. So you comb the piece section where you want to have your zigzag part in, and then you hold the hair. Make sure you put the point of the comb on your head so you can feel the way you're going to the left, to the right. See, I'm making it shorter, so it will be smaller. And then you open that. See, this is much smaller. Now make sure you comb the crown backward. This is it. The smaller zigzag parting in less than a second. If you want to have it bigger, again, you comb it backward, hold that section in your hand, not too tight again, just smooth. Put the comb again and just go far deep. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. And then before getting to the crown, you like hold it, take your other hand, come back, and then from the outside point of your comb, open the hair. Like, comb it down, comb the crown backward. This is it. See, this is the large size zigzag parting. So I like it more to the medium size, so I usually go more for the softer look, but this is also, some people like it also a bit bigger, so you can choose. I'm going again one more time so you can see it. Back, hold it, take it, open it, make sure it's down, beautiful, smooth. Your crown is nice and full, and perfect. So this is me, Vivian in Hairstyle channel. I hope you like my video tutorial of today, how to do your own zigzag parting. If you have any question, please comment below, let me know. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be more than thankful. Okay, bye bye for now, till next video. Ciao.